So we're going to go between our two chords. You've spent an awful lot of time playing E minor, but can you remember A minor? We take our E minor chord, we drop it down a string, and we add our index finger to the B string at the first fret. And remember, we're going to have to try and avoid strumming the low E string when we're playing A minor. Don't worry too much if you're accidentally hitting the low E string on occasion, but try and keep it in the back of your mind that you should be avoiding this string. To begin practicing our chord changes, we're going to start with the A minor chord, and then we're going to go to the E minor chord and back and forth between those two. We're going to take it back to stage 1 of the strumming pattern. And a reminder that stage 1 was down, down, up, down, up, down. 2, 3, 4. The 2, 3, 4 is important. I'll be saying that after each one, because that's the time in which you have to change to the next chord. And as we add chords to the strumming pattern, we reduce the time we have to change chords, which forces you to make them faster and faster. And the reason we build it up gradually is it's important to make the chords cleanly and carefully at first, so that we're actually making sure it rings nicely rather than just rushing and making a mess of it. So this is what the stage 1 A minor to E minor strumming would look like. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Let's try that together, shall we? After 4, starting on your A minor, and try and avoid the low E when you're on A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. To E minor. 2, 3, 4. Back to A minor. 2, 3, 4. And back to E minor. 2, 3, 4. If you're managing that, we're going to go on to stage 2. That's the same thing we've been playing, but with 2 strums at the end instead of 1. So just a reminder of stage 2, that would be 2 strums. 1, 2, 4. And changing to the E minor just like that. Okay, A minor after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And strum, 3, 4. And strum, back to A minor. And strum, 3, 4. And 2 strums. Here's stage 3. It's down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Same thing as you've been doing before with the down, down, up at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And 3, 4. Stage 3 is a brilliant place to get to early on because it's a nice balance between giving you a little bit of time to change chords in between, but also not sounding completely bare with the stage 1 of a single strum and a huge gap in between the chords. For the brave ones out there, we're going to try continuous strumming. That's 2 full strumming patterns with hardly any time to change chord in between. That would look like this. And back. Let's try this a couple of times. Like I say, this is quite advanced already. Don't worry if you can't get it just now, you can always work up to it. And like I say, if you can get to stage 3, that's a brilliant place to be at this stage. Here we go, from A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And change. If you're able to strum continuously and change chords, you're doing brilliantly well, great job indeed. A lot of people will find this tricky for many weeks or months. So if this wasn't falling into place perfectly for you this time, or even after several times, please don't worry about it, it's completely normal. There's actually a lot of guitar playing squashed into this little lesson. So there you have it guys, we've learnt our first two chords today, E minor and A minor, and we learnt our first strumming pattern and how to progress that into a continuous strumming pattern with chord changes. Keep your eyes peeled for more lessons just like this one, and we'll see you again. Bye!